A man cultured, independent, versatile, a traveler, one who never forgot his roots. With his brush he marked, during the 15th century, the final passage between the Middle and Modern Ages. He painted with a precise and poetic technique. The exhibition held in Arezzo and surrounding territory spotlights this man, Piero della Francesca. The base of the exhibition is located at the National Museum of Medieval and Modern Art in Arezzo, where Piero's travels took him throughout the Italian courts of Perugia, Florence, Rome, Ferrara, Rimini, and Urbino. More than 100 pieces by Piero della Francesca, along with works from other artists, have been put on display. A few artists included in the exhibition are Domenico Veneziano, Filippo Lippi, Pisaniello, and Roger van der Weyden, among others. Some of Piero's substantial paintings are on show, including the diptych of the Urbino Dukes and the Madonna di Senigallia. Videos in the exhibition reveal the secrets of Piero's scientific skill that he applied in his painting. The exhibition follows Piero's frescoes and other works that attract visitors from all over the world. In Arezzo, the frescoes of the Legend of the True Cross in the San Francesco Church and the Magdalene inside the cathedral. In San Sepolcro, the Museo Civico holds important frescoes and paintings, including the Resurrection and the San Giuliano. In Monterchi, the astonishing Madonna del Parto. Due to the fact that the exhibition is located throughout Arezzo and the Tiberina Valley, there are 3 kinds of ticket options depending on what parts of the exhibition you would like to visit. Piero della Francesca and the Italian Courts. Danielle Rosner, C10.